those who have business, maganda na maglagay kayo ng charcoal. It gives it new energy. While garlic naman po is more for money. Sa isang plate, preferably red na plate, lagay kayo ng charcoal at saka naalala nyo yung golden garlic, lagay nyo ulit yung golden garlic doon. Yung pong golden garlic na ginamit po ninyo nung New Year, pwede nyo pa pong gamitin kung okay pa siya. Kung wala kayong golden garlic, kahit po anong buong garlic po lagay nyo. If you can roast the garlic, mas maganda, no? The charcoal actually po helps the business. Actually, for those who have business, charcoal actually gives your business, another fire. It gives it new energy. While garlic naman po is more for money, no? To come in. Yan po yung maganda na may plate kayo somewhere lagay nyo na lang po sa malapit sa door nyo o lagay nyo po kung saan po yung main door, no, or sala ninyo, lagay nyo.